So I've been wanting to make this video for a while, but you know, life happens and I can't seem to find the time to do it because, you know, kids and just everything's going on. Anyway, in fact, we're like literally getting ready to walk out the door here in a second. So something I've been thinking about and I wanted to share with everybody is, okay, so some of you know kind of what my side job is. So I want you to imagine for a second, we all know that our skin is our largest organ, right? We all know that we have pores. And we know that when our pores get clogged, we tend to break out. We get acne or, you know, blackheads or, you know, whatever. And something that has been developed, which I think is actually pretty freaking awesome, is a pore extractor, basically. So I want you to imagine taking a balloon, okay? You're blowing up balloons for your kid's party. That balloon grows bigger and bigger as you blow it up. Inside that balloon is air. Imagine that being your pores. So when you're blowing air into the balloon and it's stretching out, you imagine that as your pores getting filled with dirt and oils and you know, just like stuff from the natural environment. And it's hard to get it out. Like, you can wash your face every day. You can use an exfoliant to kind of get a lot of that surface stuff. And if you've got like a good exfoliator, it'll kind of get into your pores, but it doesn't get like deep into your pores. So as you're blowing up this balloon, it's stretching, right? It's getting bigger and bigger. You let the air out and it's still kind of a little bigger than when you first started. And you're still, you go back to blow up this balloon and it stretches more, and then you let the air out. So imagine that is you cleaning your face when you're letting the air out, and when you blow it up, it's putting more like oil and dirt more deeper into your pores. So what that does is it stretches your skin, it stretches your pores, it makes your pores appear bigger. And when your pores appear bigger, that's when your skin starts to stretch and you get the wrinkles and all of that. So what you want to do is you want to get your pores extracted. So you can go to an esthetician and they can use their machine to do it. But that can kind of get expensive going, you know, if you go once a month, or I think it's a good idea to go like twice a year to go and get like just a really good, thorough, deep clean using all of their tools and stuff. But what if you could extract your pores for a lot less in your own bathroom, in your own home? Like, get a vacuum suction thing and pull it along all of your T-zone where your pores appear to be bigger. That sounds like kind of a winner to me. So I just want you to think about when you are washing your face or looking in the mirror or, you know, looking at your pores. I want you to imagine your pores as a balloon and getting filled with the grime and the dirt and the oil that we can't always fully get clean. Or even when we see blackheads, I mean, I want to say everybody's got blackheads on the top of their nose that you don't really see, but, you know, it'd be nice to get them like fully cleaned. It's almost like deep cleaning your house. Getting in there and getting on your hands and knees and just going for it and just cleaning it. Just think of that as, you know, cleaning your face. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on and say something, you know, just another way to think about the way we clean our face. So that's all I got.